Hi everybody, Janet Boyer here, and today I'm going to be unboxing one of Jessie James Bead's Magical Mystery Bead Box. And I happen to know what this is because I bought a second box. I loved their Mystery Incorporated box so much that I went and I bought a second one. So I am going to go ahead and unbox it for you so you can see how cool it is. And I'm also going to show you some finished pieces that I made with the other set, and I plan on making more. So as you can see, it comes with this cool postcard mystery ink. This was from October 2020, and it talks about some of the things that are in there. There's a Zoinks Bead Strand, Design Elements Bead Mix and Fred, Design Elements Bead Mix and Daphne, Design Elements Bead Mix and Velma, Design Elements Bead Mix and Scooby and Shaggy, Let's Split Up and Search for Clues, Color Changing Beads, Custom Shell Trio and Mystery Machine, Scooby-Doo Where Are You, Cabochon Link Set, Those Meddling Kids Tassel Mix, Scooby Snacks Mini Clasp Mix, Pumpkin Bead Trio, and one of Jessie James Bead's famous Chain Reaction. Okay, let's look at the bead strand first. Oh wow. I know I already have seen this, but it's just so cool. And the colors of the Mystery Machine and Fred's outfit and Velma. And then they have these really cool mini discs, like vinyl discs. They're so playful. So cool. Then there's these metallic beads. These aren't mood beads. I thought initially that they were. They're not. But they're still cool because they flash metallic. Okay. And then here's the Scooby-Doo Where Are You Cabochon set, and I'll go ahead and show you the bracelet I made from the other one. I went ahead and I put a magnetic clasp on this that I had from my own stash, and I used the color changing mood bead. Now this didn't come in the set, but I do believe it is a Jessie James piece from another mix. But watch when I put my fingers on. Can you see it changing color? I don't know if you can see the camera. See that? It went to blue. So mood beads really just reflect your temperature, but I remember in the 70s I thought it really showed what mood you were in, whether you were angry or in love or what have you. Gullible kid. Hey, I was just born in 1970. So this is how I made the Cabochon, the link bracelet. I did the ghost, and aren't these the cutest? Those are going to be in there. Chasing, Shaggy and Scoob. Then the mood bead, and of course Velma, Daphne, and Fred are running. And where are they all running to? Why, the Mystery Machine, of course. So I made a magnetic bracelet out of the Scooby-Doo Where Are You Cabochon set. And then we have the Mystery Machine. Now you saw those two beads I put in that bracelet. And then these are on, I think, what do they call that? A mother of pearl? Custom shell, some kind of shell. They put like the Gang and the Mystery Machine, and then of course the Mystery Machine by itself. And I made a pair of earrings out of the Mystery Machine with the tassels, of course. Now, isn't that just the cutest? And I used the olive green and the orange and the aqua. So those are really cool. And then I made a necklace out of that pendant. I made it into a pendant, and I put 3 blue tassels, and I hung them on one of the beads and used a chain reaction. I don't think it's the chain reaction that came in this. I'll have to look and see. But there's those metallic beads that I thought were mood beads, and so it came out really nice, I think. Groovy 70s color. And then there's the Fred mix, and that's in blue and orange and white. Of course, the colors of his outfit. And then there is, this actually doesn't say but I am pretty sure that this is probably Velma, judging from the coloring. These beads are really cool. They're almost like a velvet. There's some neat elements in there. And then we have Shaggy and Scooby. So we have some like tiger brownish striped beads and some blue, and of course some of the green, like how Shaggy wears. And some blue. And then we have Daphne, who's the purplicious girl. And there's some really cool elements in the Daphne mix, including these like little globes that have sparkly stars in them. They're jam-packed, as you can see. And then there's those Meddling Kids tassel mix. And I used the orange ones for those earrings that I showed you guys earlier. And then they have these huge, cool pumpkin, scary pumpkin beads. And they are drilled from the top. So that would make a really cool pendant and side beads, or even a pendant and a pair of earrings, especially for Halloween. Here we go. Here's some color changing beads. So got quite a few mood beads in there. I don't remember seeing those in my other one. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, yeah, 2 of these are faceted. Those are the coolest things. They're faceted mood beads. Then you have some round ones. So those are super cool. And then there's this toggle clasp. Isn't that nice? Almost look like it's an intertwined rope. And then we have some Scooby snacks, which are some more toggle clasps, including a multi-strand one. Isn't that the neatest? I mean, lots of stuff. Oh, another one. Another big toggle clasp. And 2 chain reactions. Oh, wow. See, I don't remember this one. Maybe they're different depending on the box. Oh, wow. Or I might actually keep it in the, I might have it still in the container. I can't remember, to be honest. I might have kept it in the container to finish designing with it. But oh, that's pretty. A nice diamond with brown. Oh, I like that. I don't have one like that. And then there's this kind in the gold. Oh, wow. Isn't that lovely? I love their chain reaction. I use them to finish off necklaces all the time. Use them for earrings. They're just super cool. So again, you can see all the things that you can do with, you know, one of Jesse James Bead's mystery bead mixes. Their kits are incredible. I mean, they just contain so many beads and items to make so many items with. I mean, you could make several necklaces, probably 5 bracelets or more, you know, 5 or more earrings. I mean, there's just so much that you can do with one kit. And then there's the necklace I made. It was a fun kit to work with. Like I said, I liked it so much that I bought another one. And I used a different Jesse James chain reaction with this one. I used one of the green and silver because I thought it matched the boho bead. So I thought, go ahead and use green. Plus it reminded me of the 70s, you know, there's funky colors and what have you. So that does it for today's unboxing. Again, this was the Mystery Ink Magical Mystery Bead Box. And last time I checked, they still had some, and they were discounted slightly. And this was from October 2020. So if you go to jessijamesbeads.com, you may be able to snatch a box there. And it's really great. And even if you're not in the mood for spooky stuff, wouldn't this be great for Halloween? To sell as a set, or, you know, to give it to you know, some kids in your life, or big kids like myself that love Scooby-Doo. So thank you for your time. Again, this is Janet Boyer, and I will see you. Bye-bye.